आपको ABCD का दोहरान कराऊंगी, आप पीछे पीछे दोहरान करना, ठीक है ना? बोले A for apple, B for boy, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for gun, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for peacock, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for extra, Y for yak, J for zebra.